Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic ranch sauce without using any sour cream. This easy method uses readily available ingredients you likely already have, creating a creamy and flavorful dressing. You'll be surprised at how simple it is to achieve that classic ranch taste, perfect for all your favorite dishes. Get ready to elevate your meals with this homemade delight. To start, you'll need 1 cup of mayonnaise as your creamy foundation. For that signature tang and body, incorporate about 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt or whole milk. Next, gather your dried herbs, 1 teaspoon each of dried dill, parsley, and chives. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. A tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar adds brightness. Making this ranch is incredibly straightforward. In a medium bowl, simply combine your mayonnaise, Greek yogurt or milk, lemon juice, and all the dried seasonings. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and well blended. If you prefer a thinner dressing, gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk until you reach your desired consistency. For the best flavor, cover and chill your ranch in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your delicious homemade ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a dip for fresh vegetables, potato chips, or as a flavorful dressing for your favorite salads. Store any remaining sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Feel free to experiment with fresh herbs like dill or chives, or add a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. Enjoy this versatile and easy-to-make dressing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.